Probably should have fixed this before I got started, but I have wood rot. Now, this one particular piece was bad, and I started pulling it out, and the whole thing just kind of fell apart. What I'm going to do, cut this best I can and lay a new piece of wood partial. These things are full length, and I'm not going to redo this whole thing. So what I'm going to try to do is part of it with support underneath. I might even have to weld a metal piece from here to here or here to there or something like that. It's tricky because there's only so much support beams across the way there. So here we go. It's kind of tricky because you can't just put a piece of wood here, it'll just fall down. There's no support for it. So how far up do you go? Do I go halfway, you know, halfway to the bar and then bring another piece down, or how is this going to work? Check this out. Oh, look at that. It just falls apart. So I'm thinking from there to there needs to be replaced somehow. Alright, I'm going to do some precision cutting. Hopefully, I have this Dremel tool. I've had it for 10 years or so. It says wood. I'm going to try to cut it exactly halfway down there and then try to meet up my new board with the old board so it has support there and here and under there. Under there. Check that out. Put the other piece of wood here. I might even put a bracket right there. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this rotten one also, cutting down here in between the two slats on bottom. I know that's not the best way to do things because I don't want to take everything apart. I'm going to put these braces maybe underneath here like that and like that, give it more support across the way, maybe even double up on each side. But I went ahead and bought some brand new blades for my Dremel tool. Let's see how they work. Yesterday was a bit of a struggle. Well, that did it. I noticed there was some like white mold or something on the bottom where it was rotting. Thinking maybe that white stuff is eating it. I don't know if I should do fungus killer or something, spray on that, I don't know. But anyway, that's removed, and I'm going to clean that up because if I try to put a board in there, it's not straight up and down. There we go. That's probably good enough. By the way, I keep a whole Dremel kit here. I got these blades for less than like $20. I didn't have a whole lot of blades for my old Dremel. This is the Multi-Max, the one that like kind of vibrates. If you look around at garage sales and stuff, you'll see you'll be able to buy things like, look at that, I got $3 for that entire set there. So I pick up anything Dremel and I keep it in one place. So that rotten wood had a lot of this white moldy stuff, and I'm thinking that's what really got it. Look at that nasty stuff. So I looked up how to kill that stuff because it's prevalent here on the ends of the wood where the water, of course, sits, and the way to kill it is white vinegar and bleach. White vinegar and bleach. So I made a solution to do just that. I don't want this to just continue to rot, you know. I'm gonna do this 3 or 4 times today. All that crap, dude.